Yeah, we're mowing a little grass hay. Not nothing special, but it's what we got. It's what we got to use. Had a couple of disc mowers running in this field. And mowing some the next day. Here's what happens when you hit a little baby deer. We hate it, but it happens.
Well, we're finishing up one field, going to the next. David's raking, Johnny's wrapping. Just grass hay. We cut that at 10:30 this morning. It's 5 now. There we go. That's what's good about the wrapping hay. You don't have to worry about it getting perfect. You want moisture in it, makes it work good. And here's going down to the road, and there's our wrapping. There's what we wrapped today. There's our winter's feed. Excellent hay. But this is old grass, dry grass hay anyway. But you let it ferment. Put it in that wrap. It might, the fertility level is probably not any different, but they eat more of it. They eat it. They love it. So anyway, we like it real well, and plus it lets us. We don't have to wait 3 days to let this hay lay on the ground dry out. We cut it this morning. We're baling it this afternoon, which is a little quick on average, but. Anyway, it's a good system. We like it. Works for us. Everybody's got their own system. A good product. You'll pull in here. John here take the Bobcat. I videoed wrapping hay before, but same thing every year. This is just what we do. Bales wrappers automatic. There we go. You just walk right out from under it. We put plenty of plastic on. That's the key to having good quality hay. Put plenty of plastic on. The raccoons get on it, the coyotes get on it, and they scratch their toenails. You get holes in it, then you lose your quality. But if you put enough plastic on it, it seems to work pretty good for us. To the wrapper. One's gone home for the day, so we're gonna have to do this ourselves. No problem. A little bit of grass hay, Johnny rolling. A little bit of spot right there. I did a lot of bulldozing right there, and that's what's left. We didn't turn the cows in on it because of the rain. And there's David raking. I'm gonna bale that field today, both sides. Got a food plot in the middle. Bale both sides, and we're gonna quit today. That's the way we do it. rough the field is, how fast we can go and what we can do. Just grass hay. Cows will be in here in a few days. Try to put them, load them in there where they're against one another, and that kind of helps hold them on there. Little short trip to the wrapper. And I'm done this one-handed. It's kind of hard to do. And this is a four-wheel drive tractor. Mine is a two-wheel drive tractor, so this is a lot better. Does a lot better job. There's my tractor right over there. Two-wheel drive. He's loading. He's trying to get this wagon loaded so I can go put it on the wrapper. He's having at it. And I'm bringing some wagons out. John Aaron's loading 2 more wagons. And he's dumping a roll right there. Little old hodgepodge of hay. And 2 rolls of plastic. One on each side, and when it starts feeding, it starts wrapping. You can see what it's doing. For me, that's the ultimate in hay production in our area for our use. Good quality hay, cut to scorn it. And I'll get run over so he can't see me. We gravelled this pad here 2 years ago. We gravelled half of it the first year and decided, you know, now that we know what we're doing, it's not near big enough. There you can see there's leftover hay from last year, and the good thing about that particular hay, it's just about as good as it was when we put it in. You can see right here how much we got to go. We feed in the wintertime, we feed right there. That's our program, that's the whole idea. Wait just a few minutes, a few seconds on that machine. And if you got a tractor, a lot of times it's a little bit slower than that bobcat, but you know, you use what you got. We use tractors too, just all depends on what farm we're on and what we're doing. long as you got a place to put it, how far you can go, and then obviously that's better because it makes a good bit of pushing off the end cap, all this stuff. If you got a big, long, straight line, it's cheaper and a whole lot better. There's no end. Well, we're back at it again. Here's what it's like bailing on a hillside. Look at all the bales. They take off and go over the hill, hit the fence, tear up the fence. It's not easy to do. We're bailing right now in 49.5-inch bale. 52.5. It'll tell me it's near full. Okay. 57 is going to tell me it's full. It's going to start wrapping. Okay. Alright, it's ready to build up the bale. And of course, there it goes. Line them up down there. I hate the hillside. I don't like, but a couple more windrows would be done.